How to add, remove, change properties, and style for text elements. Hi everyone, I'm Alex from PixTeller, and today I'll show you how to add, remove, or change the properties and styles for text elements that you can use to create your own graphics, videos, and GIFs using PixTeller Editor. Let's start by opening the editor. In order to add a text element, click the text button located on the left menu section. Once the panel is open, click Add Text, and a simple container text element will be added in the top left corner of your design. You can now move it or update the container width to the desired size. You can also align the text element using the top bar buttons. This helps you position the text very easily on the canvas. Now let's change the text. To do this, you can use the input box from the left menu, or you can double-click and change it. For this tutorial, I'll use one of my favorite quotes, "Creativity is madness." To align the text on the center of the container, you have the option from the Properties panel on the left. Other options include Left, Right, and Justify. To change the font for my text, click the Font Family option from the Font menu. In the new panel that just opened, you can see that we have over 100 fonts for you to choose from that are filtered in serif, sans serif, monospace, handwriting, and display. For this tutorial, I'll use a display font family. Scrolling on the list and having a preview of how the font looks like, I think I will go with Built Titling. As you see, the text is updated instantly. Next, let's change the text size. In order to do this, you can use the slider as in the example, or just input a value in the size box. The plus and minus buttons give you the ability to incrementally change the size for a better fit. Remember, you can edit at any time the text by double-clicking on it. To choose the right color for your text element, you must click on the Color button located on the left panel. Solid and linear options are available. Let's go for this example with the color red. If you need to quickly replicate the text, you can use the Copy-Paste keyboard shortcuts Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, just as I did right now. I'll change the second text by writing my name, update the size, change the color and position of the container. Let's have a look at the text filters option. As you can see, you can change the border, shadow, skew, and scale values. You may also adjust the shape brightness, hue, saturation, lightness, and RGB. What is awesome is that you can add a blur, noise, or pixelate effect on your design text elements. I'll go with a horizontal skew effect of -25. A very common option for text elements is line height and letter spacing. I'll add them both using the default value for line height that is 100% and going with 15 pixels for the letter spacing. I think the text looks really nice now. Another great thing that works really well for single-line text elements is that you can add effects like circle, concave, convex, warp, or triangle warp. This is all for this example. I hope it now makes it easier for you to understand how to add, remove, or change the properties and styles for text elements. If you need to delete what you created, select the element and just hit delete on your keyboard. You can also right-click and select the delete option, or use the delete button from the top menu bar. Remember to rename and save your design once it's finished. You can also change the privacy from the editor before doing it. Now my design is finished, and I can download it and share it on my social network. Thank you for your time. See you again in our next tutorial. Bye! Try PixTeller.com. An easy-to-use poster, presentation, banner, social media image, or print design maker.